Good morning children. Today we are going to start new lesson map. Here in this lesson mainly we learned or we are discussing about the identify the simple map of their locality and how the you make the mark of simple things. Okay, and also a model of small village has been given here and write the symbols and details related to the picture in the index. So with the help of teachers and elders, symbols and details. So and also match the following like symbols and details. Okay. So all these things we discussed here in this class. Now let us discuss one by one. Okay. So you should sketch a small sketch of place, so which gives the picture of the shape of the place, border, features like rivers, hills, so roads and buildings, and the position and distance between them is called map. Okay, so the vast area represented on a small piece of paper. Okay, so I will once again repeat it, a small sketch of a place, so which gives the picture of the shape of the place, border, and features like rivers, hills, roads, and buildings. The position and distance between them, is called map. The vast area can be represented on a small piece of paper. Okay, so now let us discuss one by one. So okay, here in this lesson we should identify the simple map of their locality. So observe the picture given below. Ramesh has here one person. Ramesh has drawn a sketch of his classroom. Observe here. So here index is there. So this is in a picture. Okay. Here index, symbol and details. Here first one horizontal line that indicates blackboard. So here double dumbbell symbol indicates teacher's chair. So okay, here rectangular indicates table, circle indicates Ramesh, square indicates Riaz, star mark indicates Sheila, and triangle indicates Kevin. So circle with dotted line indicates Disha. So this indicates door and vertical line indicates window. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. So horizontal line that indicates blackboard, double dumbbell shape that indicates teacher's chair. So here rectangle, so with black strips that indicates table, circle that indicates Ramesh, square, so this indicates Riaz, star mark indicates Sheila, so triangle indicates Kevin, so circle with dotted lines that indicates Disha. So next this symbol indicates door, so vertical line that indicates window. So all these the symbols with the details. Okay, so now the symbols where it is located, now let us see. Okay, so here is a blackboard. Okay, here is a blackboard and this is a teacher's chair and this is a table. So here the teacher's chair is located between the blackboard and table. Okay, so here is this is in a dustbin. So this is situated in the northeast direction, and so this is in a door. This is also situated in the east direction of Ramesh classroom, and also so here is in a Sheila. Okay, and so these 1 2 3 and 4, so all these four, so black vertical lines that indicates windows, and also here square indicates Riaz and circle indicates Ramesh, and here circle with the dotted lines indicates Disha. So and here triangle indicates Kevin. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. Here, so this horizontal black line that indicates blackboard. So here rectangular black strips that indicates so table. The teacher's chair is located between the blackboard and the table. So here dustbin that is also situated in the northeast direction, and this door that is also situated in so east direction of Ramesh classroom. Okay, so next, so these 1 2 3 4, so these are four so vertical black lines that indicate windows, and here is star mark that indicates Sheila, and here circle that indicates Ramesh, square that indicates Riaz, and also here circle with the dotted line that indicates Disha, and here is a triangle that indicates Kevin. So here directions north, south, east, west. So east, west, north, south. So all these are the directions. Okay. So now I think very clearly understand all. Okay. So now let us see some question answers. Here Ramesh has marked his place on the second bench. Okay, here the Ramesh place is in a second bench. Here the Ramesh sitting in a second bench. So that's why Ramesh has marked his place on the second bench. So which is on the right side? Which is on the right side? So now look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So with correct answer, see the index for help. So okay. So here is a Ramesh sitting in a second bench. Okay, Ramesh has marked his place on the second bench. So which is on the right side? Okay. So next, yeah. So doors of Ramesh classroom is situated in dash direction. Here doors of Ramesh. This is a doors of Ramesh classroom is situated in dash direction, east direction. So here Ramesh is sitting here. So east direction. The doors of Ramesh classroom is situated in east direction. So next, the girl who is sitting in the first row on the right side of the Ramesh is Sheila. So here the girl is sitting in the first row, which is right side of the Ramesh is dash. So here the star mark that indicates Sheila. Here Ramesh is sitting here. The girl who is sitting on the right side of the Ramesh and also first row. So here is Sheila. Okay. That's why here we write answer Sheila. So there is a dash between blackboard and the table. So there is a blackboard and table. Teacher's chair is located between the blackboard and the table. So I will once again repeat it. The teacher's chair is located between the blackboard and the table.